Hello, 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 hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm very well, thank you. I can't see you. Please switch on your webcam. Hmm.
What about now?
Yeah, it's okay. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Picture is still.
Not visible.
Not me. It is picture, not movie.
Oh,
Switch it off again and switch it on again.
not doing the same.
Hmm. Okay. Let's start.
I will be meeting with my boss. I will be going to school. To school, boy will play in the ground.
Play.
School boys will be playing in the ground. My brother will be singing a song on stage. He will be selling vegetable market. The tune will be ringing a bell in the school. The teacher will be teaching the English in other room.
Not the English. English.
Teaching English in the other room. He will be buying the charcoal in the market. I will be constructing a house. You will be teaching children. The police will be catching a thief. They will be playing the game. Will you be going to die? Will you be teaching my kids? This shall be me reading my book.
Sharing.
Will he will be learning this book. You will be calling my servant. Who will be coming to your house. I shall not be going to school.
Not sharing.
I will. He will not be playing with her ball. He
She.
will not.
She
He will
declined.
be. She will not be throwing the ball. Shall I be going to play with
Not sharing.
will that child not be making a noise?
Making.
Making a noise.
Hmm.
How many boys will be sleeping in the room?
Hmm.
Who will be playing on the ground?
Hmm.
Who will be coming to school now?
Hmm.
They will be going to picnic.
Hmm.
No, they will not be going to picnic.
Hmm.
Will they be going to picnic?
Hmm.
They will have completed this homework.
Hmm.
The bus
Once
to
again,
Agra.
last one.
They will have completed his homework.
They है ना तो there.
Hmm.
May might, you didn't use may might, must. Only will.
Hmm.
Why didn't you use may, might, must? Only using will.
Few of the lines are there.
Hmm.
Why will they have been wasting their time since 5 o'clock?
Hmm.
How many boys will have been making a noise since noon?
Hmm.
Where the boy will have been playing since 2 o'clock.
Hmm.
He might be reaching to Delhi by evening.
Means present. You are means thinking in present.
Hmm.
That's why you are using may might.
Yes.
कि शाम तक पहुंच रहा होगा. Hmm.
They will have reached here by noon.
They will have.
They will have reached here by noon.
Hmm.
Sam will have finished his work by evening.
Hmm.
His brother might be get the job by this month.
Might have got.
By the end of this year, I shall have completed my project.
Shall नहीं लगाओ. Hmm.
I might love I might be.
Shall नहीं
I might have
will.
completed.
वो तो आप फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हो ना, कर चुका होऊंगा.
Hmm.
I will have completed.
You will have cooked the food by 9 o'clock.
Hmm.
Will have passed by end of this year.
Hmm.
You will have gone from here before I came.
Hmm. Before I come.
Came.
Come. Present indefinite. Hmm.
Father will have come here before you reach.
Hmm.
The children will have learned their lesson by 2 o'clock.
Hmm.
The king will have addressed his pupil. They will have completed the road before end of this year.
People. Pronunciation is people.
People. Okay.
पीपल का पेड़ होता है ना, पीपल का पेड़. People.
They will have completed the road before end of this year.
Hmm.
It will have rained before we reach the park.
Once again.
It will have rained before we reach the park.
मतलब
हमारे पहुंचने से पहले बारिश हो चुकी होगी.
Rained.
Start rained. He will not have washed the clothes by evening.
मतलब
He will not have washed. उसने कपड़े नहीं धोए होंगे evening तक. You will not have reached Delhi by morning. That's it, sir.
Questions?
Mm.
Hmm.
What is your opinion on NRC implementation?
I have no opinion.
Okay, what do you think about the road construction? Because we are cutting the tree for this construction.
What should I say? I have
So
no
the
words to say.
construction is required or not required? And if it required, how can we mitigate?
It is required definitely to go from one place to another for the supporting of transportation to make the transportation easier and comfortable to save fuel. Lot of things, lot of factors are there which are to be considered before we make roads for connecting cities and states. Definitely, it is the need of the people or need of the country. But I think it is also it is to be considered that trees are not to be cut down.
So without cut down, how is it possible?
Means it should be minimized. It can be minimized. It's okay. It is the need that we have to make the path, and for that we have to cut down the trees. But still, we should try to avoid, or we should try to minimize the cutting of the trees.
Otherwise, it is also possible. Na? We will pull that tree from the ground and paste it on the other location.
Yes, it is, this technology is also very popular these days, and that
Yeah.
can be done. But you know, our government is very, 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 what I should say. I think this is the best government of the world. So I have no words to say because everybody is very intelligent in the government, and their advisors are also very intelligent. They obey their orders. So I have no words to say. I just can see what is happening because I
Mm.
have no, power to advise them or to ask them any question. Just I have to see like an audience.
Mm.
So I don't have to comment. Let them do what they are doing because if we are helpless, we can only pray to God only.
Yeah.
And God will do the justice.
Yes. The third question is how you make how you decrease the poverty level from India.
Your questions are very. I want to answer all these questions, but I cannot answer here on internet.
Mm. How can we make our infrastructure, health infrastructure good?
Modi is doing everything good. What should I say?
So, but if I'm talking about my state right now in Uttarakhand, so today or maybe tomorrow they are going to inauguration aims.
Inaugurate, huh? They are going to
Inaugurate,
inaugurate AIMS
yeah,
in
aims.
Uttarakhand.
And it maybe it is Roorkee or something else.
Mhm.
But why they are woke up after 5 years? Why not complete it before this?
No, at least
Because now
now because
the
uh,
vote is there, voting is there.
whatever I can't say.
How we feel good in our life?
It's a very good question. How do we feel? Good. Actually, everything comes from our heart. And when heart and mind, actually, if you infuse, negative thoughts into your mind, then you can never be happy. Why? Because actually, in that world, only negativity is there all around. If you watch television, negativity is there. There is no single word of positivity is there. All around you find negative things. News, because simple positive things, if suppose they show you the news that somebody saved somebody's life, doctor does that particular good thing, he does that kind of operation and he saved the life of a boy or whatever, nobody would like to see the news.
Correct.
If they show all these positive things, people want to see, you know
Negative.
the negative news. Oh, somebody stabbed a person with knife. Ah, that's good. Somebody kidnapped, means, or somebody, or a businessman's son was kidnapped by the kidnappers and they demanded ransom for 1 crore. Then people like such kind of news. So what I mean to say, what they are doing, we cannot do, or we cannot control all these things because we are not in power, we are not government. But we can do
No, but
one thing.
how can we control ourselves?
That I am coming to that point. We cannot control all these things.
Correct.
That what they are showing, what people want to watch on television, we have no control over it because we are not in power, we have no power, or we are not government, we are not in government.
Hmm.
What we can do, we can try to control ourselves. Just first of all, you have to be honest by your heart, and you should feel yourself connected with the God. How you can feel connected with the God? Because first of all, you should start thinking from the beginning that if you were born, then you were born in this world for some aim, or you have been given some task to do. What task? Actually, the things which we see all are around, these are fake, because it's a need, like you are wearing a jacket, it is fake. In what sense? I'm coming to that point. You are making a very good house, luxurious house, you have got very uh, big kind of very expensive sofa in your house, and television, LED, whatever. All these because we are involved in materialism, उसको भौतिकवाद, we say भौतिकवाद. So we are involved in materialism because the society, that world is going on that way only. So when a child is born, the child observes all these things from the beginning. That a big car, if somebody has got big car, he is a very rich man, he is respected in the society. If he has got a big bungalow, he is respected by the society. The rich people are respected. Scholars are not respected. Scholars mean Vidwan. The people who have knowledge, they are not respected as much as the rich are respected. And a person who is very innocent, he is not respected. But a person who is goon, goon, gunda. But a person who is involved in antisocial activities, then he is respected. Then a child who is born in this society, he observes all these things. If the goons are respected, scholars are not respected, teachers are not respected, The people the people who have power by fair or unfair means, they are respected in the society. So that child actually makes up his mind that he has to be like that person.
mm,
Actually, I don't criticize the people like Amitabh Bachchan and all. He has been made Mahanayak by our society, by the people of the country. But in fact, if you go into deep and if you analyze that what is the contribution of him towards the country? Nothing, zero.
correct.
But he has been made Mahanayak by the people. And definitely the people want to, or the children, they want to become like Amitabh Bachchan. So they try to do what Amitabh Bachchan is doing, to be Amitabh Bachchan, or to be like Amitabh Bachchan. So all these things are happening. So it is not our fault or your fault or my fault. What we observe, we want to be like that. So it is very difficult to be happy, because you cannot be happy if you have some wish or desire in your heart, because you always have desire. I want to get that thing, I should have that particular thing in my life, I should have lot of money. And when you have money, you again have another desire, I should have that car. If you have got that car, again you wish, I must have that better car, that better bungalow.
Mm,
Once you start thinking, I should visit the whole country, my state. After visiting that, you think, I must visit some other states. After that, you decide, I must visit America. Means your desires never come to an end.
mm,
And when you have desire, you are not satisfied. You can never be happy. But in new culture, it is said that you should always have desire to be successful. It is said by the people. I agree with that, that you should not be satisfied with your present standard. You should try to be better, or to find better things in your life. It's okay. I do believe and I do agree with you. But still, the question is different. Question is not that how you can be successful in your life. The question is how you can be happy.
happy.
So happiness is not concerned with money or with your success. You are successful, you are failure, that society decides
Mm,
whether you are successful or you are failure. Your society is there to judge, and society decides that Mr. Ravin Bist is failure in his life or successful. How they decide, on what points they consider while deciding you are failure or you are means successful, what points they consider, you all know very well. I am not going to discuss these points. But the question is this: how you can be happy? Because that is your inner beauty, that is your inner thing which make you happy. You see a word, sparrow, a pigeon, or you can say hawk. They're flying in the sky. They have nothing with them. Just I tell you a very simple story here to understand that how you can be happy. I hope you are not getting bored as I am
no,
speaking
no,
continuously.
no, no,
I
no.
hope you may be enjoying what I am saying,
Yes.
and it will improve your listening power also. So you see that in this world, on this earth, animals are there, birds are there, insects are there, reptiles are there, and human beings are also there. If you compare all of them with one another, you'll find that every means the birds they have you can say that the birds, animals, insect, reptiles, they have nothing with them. They come on this earth empty handed and they go empty handed. And they never try to make money or to get education, to be a doctor or to be a CA or to be an engineer or to be a businessman. They don't do anything, but still they are happy. And the human being, they are doctor, they are engineers, they are professor, they are businessmen, still they are unhappy always. Why? Listen, there is a lion in a forest. He he has got his den. He has not constructed that den himself, but it is there. So he that means lion stays in that den. In the morning, he comes out of his den and he goes to the forest to hunt an animal to satiate his hunger. He goes out, he hunts, eat it, drink some water from the pond or something, comes back, sleeps. Next day, he goes out again to hunt, but he doesn't find anything to eat, or he doesn't find any animal to eat. But he doesn't get sorry, but he is not sad that time. He comes back, sleeps. Third day, when he goes out, he thinks yesterday he didn't have anything on that way. So he tries to go to another way to hunt. Means he does what he is to be expected to do. But he never complains to other animals. Oh, today I didn't have any animal to eat. My life is boring. There is nothing in my life. He is not complaining anything to anyone. He is just doing his work. Why? Because he is connected with that Almighty. On the other hand, Ramlal is there. He has got a very good job and he has his own family, his own house, children. Children are going to a very good school, wife is good, and he means his life is going smoothly and he is very happy with his life. His salary is good, everything is good. But one day when he goes to his office, his boss calls him in his cabin and asks him to go, or he says you are fired.
Fired.
He doesn't understand why he has been fired. What is his fault? He doesn't understand. But he gets sad. Now he starts thinking that now he is jobless. He has no money to pay his rent, children's school fee, or EMI, whatever. And he starts crying. And he comes to his home. And he talks to his wife, tells her everything that he has lost his job and now everything is lost in his life. He thinks, or he tells his wife like that. Then definitely his wife is also tensed So she starts crying loudly, and when the neighbors they hear the sound of crying, they all come together to their house and ask them what the reason was or what the reason is why they all are crying. Then the Ramlal tells them the same story. And now Ramlal has created very negative atmosphere around him because he never thinks that he is connected to that God. Actually, what is happening in your life, that is happening because of that. He is the creator, generator, orator, whatever you are, tell him. He is doing everything, right?
Right.
But on the other hand, that animal doesn't have anything, house, money. That animal is not educated. He has no profession. That lion is not an engineer. Nothing. But still, that lion is not worried for his life. But man is worried. He has got everything. But instead of this, that he comes to his wife, tells her everything like that, he has lost his job and all. But instead of this, that if he had done something else, the atmosphere would have been positive. How? If he thinks himself connected with the God, he would come to his wife and he had told him, now I'm free for next 20 days. I have taken leave from my office for 20 days. Let's go for visiting some places. Get ready, ask children to get ready, and we are going out of the city for next 15 days. Means if he had taken all these things positively,
Positively.
because it is sad when one door is closed,
Yes.
other doors are opened by that Almighty.
Hmm.
But you have to believe it. If he had done all these things, the atmosphere would have been very, very positive. And when you are positive, lot of opportunities can be seen by you. But when you are negative, the curtain of negativity is there on your eyes, and you can't see even the positivity in front of you because your brain doesn't let you think about the positivity. It is there in front of you, but negativity is there in your mind, so you don't see the opportunities even. So be connected with that Almighty to be happy. That is the first thing. How you can be connected? If you think yourself that you are the son of that Almighty, and everybody around you, they are also the sons and daughters of that Almighty. You should not discriminate yourself with others. If anybody comes to you, it may be your milkman, it may be your anybody, maid servant or whoever they may be. If they come to you and they ask for some help, if you can help them, you should help them. Getting my point?
Yes, I understand.
Me, you should be honest by your heart. Lot of things are there to feel connected with the God. When you feel yourself connected with the God, I think you can make yourself happy. Lot of other points are also there to discuss, but let me stop myself here.
Okay.
Hmm. So this is your topic for speaking also. whatever I have spoken,
Hmm.
this is your topic for speaking for next lesson.
Okay.
You have to speak that. You have to repeat. Okay. Hmm.
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 And so what is your thought about the Indian road construction condition,
Indian,
road condition,
not good.
highways also?
No, they are means highways are not as good as um, they should be. They are taking toll, but
Hmm.
actually, I travel a lot by my car. I know the conditions of roads are not very good or not good at all, but they are taking toll.
Toll.
Earlier, actually, I travel Narsingpur to Chhindwara. The road was in bad condition. Lot of ditches were there on the road. I have to drive my car, saving or avoiding the ditch, like in zigzag position.
Hmm.
But toll, if road condition is not good, still they are taking toll.
Hmm.
टोल तो दे जाओ भैया, चाहे गड्ढे में कूद कूद के जाओ आप, पर टोल हमको चाहिए.
Hmm.
And no officer, no, that authority is taking any action. Nothing is being done actually. Everything is left to the Bhagwan Ram. राम जाने तू जान क्या करना है. राम
Most of the
भरोसे चल रहा
time,
है, कहते हैं ना, राम भरोसे.
most of the time, road are prepared perfectly, and after they suddenly think, oh, we have not done this. Now again, pull out and make a
Not
whole.
pull actually, that they are not honest.
Yeah,
They are
they will
given,
again ask
no,
us.
money is a shoot. The proper money or the
Hmm.
actual needed money is issued to the contractor after tender and all, after all the procedure. The company is given the tender that now you have to make that road, and this is the amount. You will be given that amount in 2 3 4 installment. You
Correct.
start doing this, but the contractor himself is corrupted. The company means the company is corrupted, and the engineer who are going to observe that, they are
Hmm.
corrupted. The neta of that department, minister,
Hmm.
who has actually sanctioned that tender, he also has some commission in it.
Yes, correct.
So 100% of the amount, out of 100%, 75% of the amount is distributed
Correct.
among minister, engineer,
Engineer.
contractor, and all. Only 25% of the amount is utilized. That
Correct.
is the fact,
Hmm.
because we see news every day in Uttar Pradesh, somewhere.
Hmm.
The road, the MLA, lady MLA went there to inaugurate that road, and when uh, she actually threw that coconut
Yes.
on the road.
Road. There is broke.
Road was broken.
Correct.
So that is happening actually.
But I went to Chandigarh, not Chandigarh, Amritsar.
Hmm.
I have paid the taxes also or toll, but the road condition is very good
No,
compared to other.
some of the roads are very good.
Hmm.
Some of the road, I don't say 100% of the roads are bad, but still, lot of work is to be done to make all the roads good.
Hmm.
Because actually, corruption can be eradicated
Yes.
eradicated from the society. But for that, the head of the government should be determined for that. If he just announce, or if he just instruct all the ministers and all the MLAs and all the MPs or all the governments of the states, first of all he has to instruct the CM of all the states
Hmm.
that check the corruption. How that can be checked? He must ask all the CM to ask their ministers and MLAs to see if any officer is found involved in corruption, will be prosecuted immediately. If it is done like this, then nobody will take. And the CM of all the state, they should be determined that they should stop it. But nobody, what I should say means, nobody takes care of all these things. They are not worried for the people. They are worried for themselves because they think they have come in the power for 5 years.
So,
So they should make as much money as
right,
they can.
yes.
That's the reason.
No, but problem is that if I am working good work, okay, and someone is not doing any good work, so people are not giving me vote to me, they are giving to vote to them, the other person, because they are providing some few monies or maybe drink also.
Um,
So what you are doing, they will do the same thing now because they have uh, used their money, or you can say consumed some money for you during the voting time.
that is not the fault of Neta or
Yes,
the fault of the population,
voters.
voters,
No,
because they are poor,
yeah.
they are uneducated, they are illiterate, they want money, they don't understand the importance of their vote.
So why they are
Listen,
crying here?
listen, listen. Let me complete. And minister, they also know that this is the trend in the society. If we give them money, daru and all, they will give us vote.
Yes,
But there is a authority above them, that is election commission.
commission.
That is their responsibility to check what is happening. But what they are doing, everybody knows. Lot of EVMs are caught on the way. Lot of things are being done. Who is taking care? Who is fulfilling his duties honestly?
No one.
जनता, तो कहना चाहिए शब्दों में, जनता के लिए एक शब्द बहुत बढ़िया है हिंदी में, जनता है चूतिया. You
बना
understand
रहे.
that what meaning of that?
Yes,
It is very common in our city or state कि यार तुम तो चूतिया हो बिल्कुल. इट इज वेरी कॉमन. तो जनता तो चूतिया है. जब चूतिया हो तुम तो फिर कोई क्या करेगा? यू विल बी बिहेव लाइक दिस. जब चूतिया तुम हो ही तो चूतिया रहोगे ही.
correct.
करो कोई, व्हाट अदर्स कैन डू फॉर यू.
Nothing.
तो एक्चुअली you see in Japan,
Hmm.
even a small child is patriot. A child is ready to die for the country. It is taught from the beginning that country is great,
Hmm.
nothing else. But here, money is great, country is nothing. That is taught everywhere. And we see that children, they learn all these things. That is not their fault. In Japan, police have no work.
Super also.
Hmm?
Sweeper.
Yeah, and police have no work. Their army crime rate is very low, 0.1% or like this. So they have no work, and the police are involved in social activities. So we should learn from Japan because they are, देशभक्त लोग हैं वो,
Hmm.
पैट्रियोट. हमारे यहाँ तो नेता ही देशभक्त इतने हैं तो क्या करोगे. और people also actually elect them.
Yes.
That is people's fault. People's elect corrupted people, gunde people. What they come or what they do when they come in power, everybody knows.
They will, how they will say you are not doing this, they are no, na, I have already borrowed some money from him and drink their daru or else during the vote. How can I say we need that uh, tap here?
Actually, that's why don't think much.
Hmm.
I'm telling you what is happening, what is going to happen, what will happen. I will die. Everybody has to die. Whether it is, minister, whether it is Ambani, whether it is Amitabh Bachchan, or whether it is you, or whether it is I am. Everybody has to die sooner or later. मरना तो सबको ही है.
Hmm.
कोई अमरोती खा के तो आया नहीं. That he will not die, he will never die. Everybody has to die, whoever they may be, or how powerful they may be. But everybody has to die. So don't worry because actually you have been made helpless. You have been deprived of your rights. Call to recall. वो एक क्या वो राइट होता है ना, राइट टू रिकॉल.
Hmm.
If you have right to choose your government, you should have right to recall them.
Hmm.
कि आप उनको वापस बुलाने का अधिकार भी होना चाहिए. बट देर इज नो सच राइट इन आवर कंट्री. चुन लो, फिर वो क्या करे, तुम्हारे चांद पे डंडे बजाए. You have to bear it, and you have to wait for next five to complete his tenure.
Otherwise, one more option, during the vote, we have some number of neta, and we have any one more option where if I'm
Nota,
not
nota.
nota,
Hmm.
yeah, if
Yeah,
I'm not,
but lot of cases of EVM,
yeah,
manipulation, EVM manipulation was also recorded earlier that it
hmm,
can be manipulated. ऐसा सुना है मैंने. I don't know the
hmm,
actual thing, but I have seen some of the videos on internet that EVM machine can also be manipulated. That if you are voting a, a person who is A, but
I'm
that is
going to be,
but that is going to B,
hmm,
it happens. I have seen the live videos, and the engineer showed it that we are pressing that A, but after opening the EVM, it comes to B. It is happening.
yeah,
It is happening. But ये लोग ये नहीं जानते, but they are unaware of all these things. They think that they are God. They think they are the Bap of everyone.
yeah,
But they don't know the Bap is there. Bap is there. And Bap is just observing. That great Bap is just observing everything.
hmm,
And he will reduce you into pieces. समझ गए आप.
yeah,
पीसेस में तुमको उड़ा देगा वो. समझ गए आप? So it is like that. But it is very good discussion today, I think. अच्छा है आज का. But you should try to learn or try to. रिकॉर्डिंग आप करते हो क्या इसकी? नहीं करते?
नहीं नहीं होती नहीं है मेरे से सर.
Okay, I have recorded all your videos.
Okay.
You can watch them on YouTube. धीरे धीरे मैं सबके लिंक दे दूंगा आपको.
Okay.
तो आप वॉच करिए, इसको भी देखिएगा. तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस वेरी गुड पॉइंट्स हियर दैट वीडियो टुडे. आई विल सेंड यू द लिंक ऑफ ऑल द वीडियोस. तो आप उनको दोबारा देख सकते हो, तो आपकी क्लासेस रिपीट हो जाएंगी वो. तो यू विल बी बेनिफिटेड बाय देम. तो अच्छा है ना. सो द टॉपिक which we discussed today, how we can be happy, try to. या मैं आज इसको करता हूँ तो इसका लिंक दूंगा, आप इसको सुनना दोबारा.
ठीक है
इस
सर.
वीडियो को.
ओके.
फिर उससे कैच करना मैंने क्या बोला, फिर उसको बोलना नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड मेक क्वेश्चंस अगेन एंड we'll start new topics in grammar.
Okay.
Okay. Today it is raining here. What about?
Not today. Might be on Sunday night. It was done.
But today it is raining. Okay. Okay.
The weather is same like that, but not raining.
Okay. Here it is raining. Okay. See you on
Wednesday. Sorry, Thursday.
Thursday. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Have
Bye.
have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.